Happening today, a key hearing in the case of a woman charged in connection with the death of Baby Grayson.
A case that so many people here in Atlanta remember. Aisha, he was just 6 months old when he was killed in a drive-by shooting in Atlanta 3 years ago. 11 Alive's Dan Kennedy is live this morning outside the Fulton County Courthouse with the preview.
So Dan, today's hearing could determine where the woman waits for her trial.
Exactly right. Is that going to be in a jail cell or is it going to be in the comfort of her own home? Today is all about whether a judge will revoke bond for Sharice Michelle Ingram. She's going to be before a judge today behind me at the Fulton County Courthouse. So here's where the trouble lies. It dates back to New Year's Day of this past year when Peachtree City Police pulled over Ingram and the father of her baby when they were pulled over after 6 p.m. on that New Year's Day. That's important because 6 p.m. is the time of her court-ordered curfew. She should have been at home, not outside. Also, according to the police report, an officer smelled marijuana and noticed Ingram had a gun in her purse, which later turned out to be stolen. Ingram is out on bond and awaiting trial in the 2022 shooting that killed 6-month-old Grayson Fleming Gray. Police say Baby Grayson was riding in a car with his mother near Anderson Park in northwest Atlanta, and he was hit by a stray bullet. Prosecutors stressed that Ingram not accused of firing that shot. In fact, somebody else was recently charged with murder after they admitted to being responsible for this drive-by. But prosecutors argue that this woman is a party to the crime and that her actions helped set in motion the deadly chain of events that ultimately led to this little boy's death. Again, we're going to be keeping an eye on things here in court today. Will the judge say you're going off to jail for violating your bond, or will the judge say you can stay out a free woman as you await trial? Reporting live in downtown Atlanta, Dan Kennedy, 11 Alive News.
Dan,